Okay.
As part of our field study trip to Zoo Negara, we were given the task to observe and analyze the behavior of animals in captivity. In this video, we will be presenting our observation of the animal that was given to us, which is the large gibbon, or its scientific name Halobis lar. In the zoo, during our observation, one of the territorial behavior observed is by displaying through loud vocalization. These loud calls are used to communicate with neighboring groups, defend their territory, and signal their presence within the area. Such vocal displays help reduce direct conflict by allowing gibbons to establish territorial boundaries without physical confrontation. Although the large gibbon in Zoo Negara still displays territorial behavior through loud calling, these behaviors differ somewhat from wild gibbons because captive individuals live in smaller enclosures and do not need to defend large natural territories. In the wild, loud calls are mainly used to communicate with neighboring groups and maintain territorial boundaries. Other behavior that we observe is how the large gibbon moves. The locomotion is different between the one in the captive and the one in the natural habitat. In the Zoo Negara, the large gibbon still exhibit its natural locomotor behavior through brachiation and climbing. The extent of its movement was lower than that of wild gibbons. In their natural habitat, large gibbons travel across large areas of forest canopy to forage and defend their territory, whereas captive individuals have limited space and readily available food resource. Next is the vigilance behavior observed, which is the large gibbon display vigilance behavior by monitoring its surroundings. However, compared with wild gibbon that remain alert to predators and neighboring groups, the captive gibbon at Zoo Negara appear to focus more on visitors and activities around the enclosure. The difference may be due to the safer and more controlled environment provided in captivity. That is why when we entering a forest, we will find it difficult to find any gibbon to approach us because they are afraid and they are always watching us from afar.
Bas. Apa? Breastfeeding ya, breastfeeding. Dia dapat ikut dia. Menyusukan anak.
Tangannya tu memang tak boleh lepas sebelah.